All right, so welcome back. We're about to perform our first ever oil change on this Hundo Series Land Cruiser. Let's go into what supplies we'll be needing. We have an oil container to dispose of our oil responsibly. We have 2 of these Mobil 1 high mileage 5W30 engine oils, 5 quarts each. This card needs about 7. We also have a oil filter remover, a funnel, a 14mm socket to remove the drain plug, a drain plug washer, and a OEM Toyota oil filter straight from the dealership. Don't forget, we got some gloves. Product details and links will be in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. Step 1, warm up the car. Dance while you wait. Don't include that. Okay, all right. Step 2, locate your drain plug. 14mm. Okay, got some leakage.
Okay. Nice.
I like to jack the front up to allow for more oil drainage. Okay, so the next step here is to remove our oil filter on our Land Cruiser. It's right up here in the front. We have an Asper skid plate here, and it kind of gets in the way. It may have some oil spilling when we remove the oil filter, and we don't want it to get all messy, so we kind of lined it with some shop towels, and we're going to try to catch some of the oil spillage with this plastic to-go container. Okay, to remove the oil filter, you can use one of these oil filter removers, but if you can't get into the spot, then you may want to have either kitchen gloves or gloves like these that have some kind of grip. The oil filter should only be hand tight, so with some muscle you should be able to get out. Secret tip, kitchen gloves. Usually does the trick.
What? I thought we were waiting.
Comes with some plastic. New gloves. Dip it in the oil. The new oil. We're gonna wet the rim here. Gently wet the rim. Or I don't know, not gently.
This is gloves too.
Okay. Carefully remove oil. Chin gloves. And now we tighten it hand tight. Okay, that's hand tight for me. So this is the drain plug and washer. Put the new one on. And put it back in. User error. So per our car's instruction manual, this engine takes about 7.2 US quarts. We're going to start off with 6.9 because it's definitely a lot easier to add than it is to remove oil. The oil was in between the lines, so it was perfect. Thank you so much for watching our video on how to change oil on this Land Cruiser. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Time for my favorite part, the test drive.